So I've got my air mattress here. So when you do receive it, it does come nice and compact. It does come in this little storage bag here. It doesn't weigh that much, right around 2.5 pounds or so. So it's easily something that you can put into your backpack if you need to, or your camping gear. So when you take it out, you can see here it's all rolled up real nice. Let's go ahead and I'll roll it out and then we'll go over all the features. So this has 2 valves. This valve here, you want to make sure that that's closed while you're going to go ahead and air it up. But when you're going to deflate it, you're going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to go ahead and make sure this is nice and closed. And then we're going to go to the other valve, and that's the valve we're going to use to actually air it up. What I've done is flipped over the mattress. This is the other valve. You're going to open this up, and this is actually a foot pump here. What I'm going to do is go ahead and press this on it, push my foot on here, and it's going to go ahead and start airing it up. Once you're done airing it up, then what we're going to do is go ahead and close this valve. You can see pretty much how thick it is. It's right around 6 inches or so. On the back side, this is the valve that I showed you earlier. And when we're ready to deflate, all we're going to do is just open that up and start rolling it up, and it's going to force the air out. Now this does have tabs. We've got little tabs right here. They're all along this edge, and what this does, it allows you to when you buy multiple of these, you can actually go ahead and just connect all those together, so that way you can get maybe a queen size or a king size, really just however wide you want to do it. So there are tabs on both sides, so that way we can add these all to both sides of these to make it really nice. The length of this is pretty important to me, so what I've done, it's not fully inflated, but the measurement that I got right now is right around 75, 76 inches. Now we do have some little, I guess you call them little crinkles here, wrinkles. Now, so I could inflate it a little bit more and get just a little bit more length out of it, but that's the length I have out of it now that it's fully inflated. So I'm right around 5'10". I definitely have room at the end of my feet right here. This is raised up just like a pillow would be. And as my weight is sitting on here, I'm not bottoming out onto the ground. So this is definitely a lot more comfortable than if I had a sleeping bag straight on the ground. It's easy to clean. You just wipe off. It's get a little dirty. You just go ahead and take a wet towel and clean it off. No problem whatsoever. Real happy with it. Hope you found this helpful.